welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Uloma Ezike. My friends call me Lomzy. Guys, today we'll be making this monochrome dress. It's called Big Auntie dress. Yeah, you know, because it's giving that rich auntie, oh, not big auntie, rich auntie vibe. Rich auntie vibe. Yeah. So that's what they call it here in Nigeria. But it's a maxi monochrome sleeve dress. Yes, so that's what we're going to be learning today, guys. It's a very simple dress, easy sewing for beginners. So the only measurements you need is the length of the dress, the shoulder length, the shoulder from this to that place, and the measurement from here, your shoulder bone to the sleeve length. That's all you need for this tutorial. Yeah, if this is your first time coming across my channel, consider subscribing and hit the notification bell icon, because on this channel we do sewing tutorials, easy sewing tutorials for beginners, masterclass, and also we do dress hauls, bra hacks, just name it, guys. So if that's the kind of channel you're looking for, consider subscribing and hit the notification bell icon. And for today's sewing tutorial, let's go sewing.
So for vision, I would like to use half scale to do this tutorial so that you'll be able to concentrate. What that means is my tape measure would be smaller, but the measurement still remains the same, just because I want to use a smaller fabric so you'll be able to see what I'm doing. So I'm going to be using my personalized tape, but the measurements I'm using are the same thing as the normal tape. You will need 2.5 yards of fabric, that's by 90 inches, and you fold it in two lengthwise. So after folding it in two, the next thing you consider is the length of the dress. Now this is basically all you need. I am using 58 inches and I have added 2 inches for sewing allowance, and what I have here is 45 inches. I have folded it in two. It was 90, I folded in two, and it gave me 45 inches. So with this, we're going to start the tutorial. The first thing we do is to get the shoulder length without dividing it. The shoulder length I have is 16 inches, and that's what I have marked here. 16 inches. Yes. So the next thing is the length of the sleeve from your shoulder bone. Remember I showed you, and that's what you're going to be measuring here. Good. Now the armhole depth I'm using is 5 inches. If you want, you saw my own is open. If you want yours a bit close, you can make yours 4 inches. If you're bigger, you can make it 6 inches. But I'm using 5 inches for mine for the armhole depth. So I'm going to connect this line to this. So this line will now serve as my neckline and my armhole depth. The next thing we have to do is the wrist. Round your wrist, take the measurement, divide it by 2, and you measure that out there. My own is 9 inches, so I'm going to be using 5 inches after adding my sewing allowance. That's what I'm marking there. This is basically all you need. So you notch that place so that you'll be able to open up the sleeve, round the sleeve. There is no slanting of any shoulder. So the next thing I'll do is to notch that place so that I know where I'm stopping with my sewing. And then I'm going to cut open this neckline and shoulder length, shoulder width. And guys, we are done. That's how simple this dress is. So add this to your sewing project. So to this side, I am just going to slant it a bit so that side doesn't drop too low. If you're still watching and you haven't subscribed, guys, go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell icon. So the folded part is going to serve as our side, and the side that is open is the side that will have the mono strap. So guys, we have come to the end of today's video. All you need to do is just go to your sewing machine and put a bias on the neck first, and this will be the side seam. This will be the side that has the mono strap, and that's where you have your wrist. So you join it all the way to this place and you are done, guys. Make sure you first of all put the bias on the neck before you start joining the shoulder. Guys, that's it for today's sewing tutorial. See you on my next video. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do so, because I'm going to be rolling out a lot of lovely trendy designs, especially for this summer. So see you on my next video. Bye.